नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ BPCL डिविडेंड 2026 debt out second interim dividend in Q3 result. Board meeting next week. BPCL dividend 2026 date. BPCL Q3 result 2026 date and time in the regulatory filing. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd. BPCL informed the browsers that the meeting at the board of director of the company is scheduled on the Friday, January 2026 to consider and approve unaudited financial results for the quarter and 9 month ended December 31, 2025. BPCL Dividend 2026 date. BPCL Q3 Result 2026 date and time as the earnings session is on. Several BSE and NSE-listed companies are announcing their schedule for the release of the third quarter result for the financial year 2025 to 26. State-owned oil and marketing company Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd is also set to declare its Q3 financial year 26 report soon. BPCL Dividend 2026 date. BPCL Q3 Result 26 date and time along with on October-December 2025 result. The state run OMC might also declare a dividend for its shareholder. Bharat Petroleum Corporation informed this through the exchange filing on Friday, January 16, 2026. Along with the October-December 2025 result, the state run OMC might also declare a dividend for its shareholder. Bharat Petroleum Corporation informed this through an exchange filing on Friday, January 16, 2026. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd Dividend 2026 date out. Urge second interim dividend in Q3 result. Board meeting next week. BPCL Dividend 2026 date. BPCL Q3 result 2026 date and time in the regulatory filing. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Ltd informed the browsers that the meeting of the board of directors of company is scheduled on Friday, January 23, 2026 to consider and approve unaudited financial results for the quarter at the 9 month ended December 31, 2025.